What's going on, guys? Sorry I've been gone for a while. I've been focusing on the social media side of things lately, including Instagram, TikTok, all that good stuff. I'll be dropping the links to my socials down in the description. Also been posting YouTube shorts, just trying to get some eyes on the channel. And as you can see, I've gotten a little zesty with the thumbnail as well. Let me know if you like the thumbnail. If you don't, let me know if you don't also. Like, be honest with me. I'm just kind of workshopping stuff right now. Make a little New Year's resolution and say right here, I'm gonna try not to cuss so much in my videos, in my upcoming videos. If you haven't noticed, if you're a long-time viewer of the channel, I like to say the F word a lot. Probably a little bit too much. Yeah, so I'm gonna work on that. Dial it back from about 75 F-bombs per video down to like 55 or so. Because it's pretty outrageous, honestly. Anyways, thanks so much for getting me to 600 subscribers, y'all. I value every single one of you. Yeah, it's really great that my channel's getting some traction. On our way to 1,000, baby. So, hope y'all enjoyed today's video. Got on some good Barton fish. Got on a couple bed fish. They were hitting the frog. And I think it's only going to get better from here. Stay tuned, guys. That's a small one. Yeah, this is the small one though. First bed fish of 2024. Chunky one. Though the one that's on there, the female is probably 5 or 6. Oh man, I hope she didn't feel the hook on that. Please. Hope she didn't feel that. Monster, monster. Big, fucking biggin', y'all. Biggin'. Boom, baby. Yeah, baby. That's a freaking tank. That's probably about a 5-pounder. Woo, boy. Look how fat that fucking thing is. Man. Got her on the Strike King Rage Shad, which is actually a topwater bait, but it looks really good on a bed, so whew, that is a nice one. That's a good looking fish right there. Oh man, 413, almost 5 pounds. Well guys, that was a nice one right there. I came out here with the goal to bedfish, pretty much strictly bedfish, and I forgot my freaking glasses. So I'm still gonna stick to the plan, but man, it is really hard bed fishing with no glasses. The glare on the water is pretty bad, and there's fog on the water, and it's just really hard to see. But luckily, both the fish I've had that have hit it, they're not hitting it and spitting it out. They're hitting it and they're hanging on to it, and I can tell when they're on it. So we're gonna keep after it, y'all. big one. Oh my goodness. That's a pig. That is a pig. Oh my gosh. Come here. Gotcha. Oh, look at that. Look at that. Oh man. Ooh, it's another 4 or 5 pounder. Got her on that new chameleon spro frog. What a gorgeous one. Look at that. Just came right up through the cheese and smoked it. Look at that. That's a beautiful fish right there, y'all. See if she'll go 5. I think she's pretty close. Let's see. Like the same size as the other one, 412. Still a freaking nice one though. Well, having a good day so far, y'all. See if I can't get a real giant. Alright, y'all, so I'll give you a little breakdown of what just happened right there. I'm standing up on my kayak, cruising the shallows looking for beds, which is a really hard task when you can't see shit. I cannot believe I forgot my polarized glasses. It was like the one thing I wanted to do today was bed fish. So yeah, I'm cruising the shallows looking for beds, and I see just like, man, probably 20 to 30 bass, all 3 to like 5 pounds, right on the outside edge of that grass mat. So I'm like, all right, I'm gonna pick the frog up and throw it on top of that grass mat, and I just worked it real slow because I know how many fish were underneath it. So I'm like, if I just work this real slow and just soak it, like one of them has to come up and at least take a swipe at it. It's just too tempting. That frog, it sneaks up on them and it's on top of the grass and they can't see what it is. So even these really smart Barton fish, you know, you can fool them with a frog if you just work it really slow on top of that grass. So I think I'm gonna keep frogging these grass mats and keep looking for beds, y'all. Stay tuned. Biggin. On the frog, y'all, on the frog. She's not that big. Still, baby, I love catching them on a frog in the wintertime like that. Oh, that's beautiful. Come on. She hit it good. Yeah, it's a largemouth bass. It was decent. They get a lot bigger than that though. Yeah. Oh man, God, she had it the whole time. Damn it. Oh shit. I just missed another one right here too, y'all. That was a nice one. Or she hit it like a nice one at least. I don't know how big she actually was though. I knew there was gonna be one under there. She just couldn't get it through the slop, y'all. That's like 3 fish I fucking missed. That is some thick shit. She tried to eat that through. Oh shit. Got another one on it. Holy crap. Oh my god. Did you see that? That was a big one. Alright guys, well that'll wrap that one up. Gotten a little bit of a frog deal there at the end. They just couldn't eat it through the scum. And I caught that one on the punch, and then right after that I lost another good one on a punch where she had it and I had no idea she had it. And by the time I set the hook, she was already 10 feet through all that, through all the weeds, and I just couldn't get a hook in her. Man, that last one I missed on the frog, that was a freaking nice one right there. I think next time I come out here, man, I'm just gonna focus on the high percentage shit, fishing the matted grass with the frog, and starting off early in the morning with like swim baits. We were out here a couple hours before the sun came up, and I lost another good one. There's so many fish in here right now. It's actually kind of insane. Like right where I'm sitting under this bridge, earlier this morning, there was probably 50 to 60 bass, all around 4 to 5 pounds, with the occasional like 8, 9 swimming along with them. So they're in here, man, but the grass isn't as thick as it normally is, so the punch bite is tough. So you got to hit where the matted grass is up against the bank with a frog, it seems like, is kind of the deal. And then obviously bedfish, if I remember my freaking glasses next time. But yeah, thanks so much for watching, guys. Until next time, stay froggy.